자, Unit 2, Basic Level 8, White Mice. Speak slowly. On your mark, get set, go.
The white mice ride bikes. Ride mice ride. The white mice slide on ice. Slide mice slide. The white mice take a drive. Drive mice drive. The white mice had a nice time.
Okay, this time read just a little bit faster. 좀 더 빠르게 읽어줄까요? On your mark, get set, go.
The white mice ride bikes. Ride mice ride. The white mice slide on ice. Slide mice slide. The white mice slide. The white mice.
Had
A slide mice slide. The white mice take a drive. Drive mice drive. The white mice had a nice time.
I found you. I got you. In your mouth, there's something in your mouth. 입속에 껌 있지? 야, 스피킹 테스트 하는데 입속에 껌을 넣으니까 발음이 정확치 않지 분명히. Put it out. Put it out. 야, it's a basic. 야, 기본 중에 기본이지. Okay? Don't do this next time, okay?
네.
Okay, alright. 자, this time read as fast as you can. On your mark, get set, go.
그냥 빠르게요 아니면
가장 빠르게.
The white mice ride bikes. Ride mice ride. The white mice slide on ice. Slide mice slide. The white mice take a drive. Drive mice drive. The white mice had a nice time.
그거 봐, 껌이 입안에 없으니까 더 클리어하게 나올 수 있잖아. 똥간지 진짜로. 여기까지 수고하셨습니다.